Welcome. In this video I will show you how to expand RAM on your Nothing Phone 3A Lite using RAM Booster feature. First of all, open Settings on your smartphone, then navigate all the way down the Settings menu and find and open Special Features. Go to RAM Booster and select the amount of your storage memory that you want to transfer to your RAM memory. Your storage memory that you choose right here will become the RAM memory, virtual RAM memory, and will be used to store unused RAM memory. So in order to increase the amount of your actual RAM memory on your smartphone, you can choose values from 2 to 8 gigabytes. Just make sure that you have enough storage on your smartphone by going to the storage menu on your phone and check how much available storage you have. If you have enough storage, you can choose the respective option right here. In my case, I can go with even 8 gigabytes of virtual RAM, but in order to apply this change, you're gonna have to reboot your phone once you select a different value in order for the changes to be applied. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.